I remember replacing the thermostat. I gotta do a coolant flush on this Pontiac Torrent. There's 2 bolts holding on the thermostat housing. Top one right here, and then there's one down there. Can't really get around this, but this one's like completely seized in there, so I had to cook it with the torch for a while. I'm going at it with this angled 13mm. So I had to add a lot more heat and some WD-40. Didn't want to bore you with that. Yours is as bad as this one, just don't rush it. Bring it back in a little, screw it in and screw it back out, and WD-40 some more. When it gets out, put it back in a little bit more, and then eventually it'll be this easy now. Unfortunately, it's just a quarter turn at a time, so all the wiring harnesses and stuff that's in the way. And there it is. That's the easy one. Now we're going to attempt to show you the back one. Kind of see it right there. That one actually looks in really good shape, so we'll see. Yeah, that one's not bad at all. Let's see if it's in a good enough area where I can use a ratchet wrench. Yes, that one's in pretty good shape. Let's get pliers. Yeah, thermostat doesn't even look that terrible, but I'm gonna replace it anyways. It's got a lot of gunk built up in there. Plus, they're very inexpensive. They got an overheating problem, so just gotta figure out what's stopping it. Now, it may seem like a waste of time, but sometimes these new thermostats are bad. I mean, it happens. So once you get this in the placed up in there nice and flush. This one does not have a bleeder valve, Some of them do. If yours does, make sure you put it to the top. It'll look like a little hole. Now we're just going to carefully, got to angle it towards the exhaust. Just like that, slide it directly over. Back one's tricky only because you can't see anything. There it is. I'll go ahead and drive that one in. Get those nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it because it is aluminum on the other side and it will strip. But after you finish that, that's how you replace a thermostat.